limb, we are talking about the hind limb of bovine species, right? The first muscles we can see here is
This is lateral aspect of the hind limb.
yeah, this is lateral aspect.
All three are lateral aspect. Okay. Let's start.
So the first one from the lateral aspect is the
This is semitendinosus.
semitendinous. You can see here
You can see
clearly.
also here. This is
Semitendinous,
semitendinosus.
right?
Okay. And this is biceps femoris muscle.
Yeah, here biceps femoris is clearly
This is biceps femoris.
the
Or this
great
is
muscle, the biceps femoris
femoris
muscle,
muscle.
right? So this is biceps femoris. After biceps femoris, this is the quadriceps femoris, right? The quadriceps femoris is a big muscle. If we dissect it properly, we can find in this specimen. If we see the quadriceps femoris,
Quadriceps femoris have 4 hand.
yeah,
Okay. Let's see the dissection view.
quadriceps femoris, right? So
This is quadriceps femoris.
the whole muscles, right?
muscle.
The whole this big one muscle, the whole this muscle is now here dissected. Quadriceps femoris. So this one is the
This
one
is vastus lateral.
lateralis,
Vastus lateralis. Okay.
and this is the
This is
vastus
medial.
vastus medialis.
Vastus medialis.
Okay,
And this is rectus femoris.
femoris. The middle
Rectus
one is
femoris.
rectus femoris.
The
If
thick
we
muscle,
separate-
big
If we
muscles.
remove the rectus femoris, the inner one, this is vastus intermedius, right? Vastus medialis. This is medial, no?
This is vastus
Medialis,
medialis.
lateralis,
This is vastus
intermedius,
lateralis.
and this
Intermedius,
one.
and this is articularis genu.
Articularis genu is here, right?
Yeah,
Articularis
this
genu.
one.
Yeah.
Articularis.
Okay, so
So
this one is tensor fasciae latae. Tensor fasciae latae. You can see it, join it properly. See, tensor fasciae latae, right? Now the gluteus muscles. When we talk about the gluteus muscles, came here. Gluteus muscle. This one is the gluteus medius, right?
this
Gluteus medius.
these
Yeah,
are-
middle gluteus.
Gluteus medius.
Yeah, middle gluteus.
Yeah, middle gluteus.
If
And
we remove this, the inner one, this is the gluteus profundus, right? Gluteus profundus muscle, this one. Okay. आ जाते हैं middle aspect में.
these are all about lateral group hind limb muscles.
Yeah.
Now we turn the specimen to the medial side. So,
So
this
on
is
the
the
medial
side of the
Right.
hind limb.
You can see here. You can guess by this that this is the medial side. Okay. So medial side, there are 3 layer muscles, right? The first layer muscles we are talking about is this. These 2 muscles you are seeing are the first layer muscles. The first one, this one,
Sartorius muscle.
sartorius muscle, and this one is
Gracilis.
gracilis muscle. Sartorius and gracilis, right? Not gemellus. Sartorius and gracilis. Okay. Now the second layer muscle. Okay. The second layer muscle, one you can see here, just behind the gracilis. This is the pectineus muscle. Pectineus muscle, right? And the other second layer muscles are these two: adductor muscle and
Semimembranosus.
semimembranosus muscle. Semimembranosus muscle. Talking about the third layer muscles, then this is the obturator externus, right? These muscles are obturator externus, right? And these are the obturator internus muscles. Obturator internus muscle. One more. The third layer muscles you are seeing here deep. This deep one is quadratus femoris muscle, right? Quadratus femoris. You can see this muscle more clearly if you dissect this section from the lateral side. If you dissect it from lateral side, you can see this quadratus femoris and the gracilis clearly. Came back on the lateral side to show you.
The deep layer of medial side muscles.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you have
This
to
is-
dissect this
As you know, this is
biceps femoris. You have to dissect it.
If we dissect the biceps femoris, we will find 2 more muscles here. Actually, they are medial side group muscles. You can appreciate these 2 muscles.
The upper one. The upper one is gemellus, right?
Gemellus muscle.
Gemellus muscle.
Ah.
And this the lower one is that you call quadratus
Quadratus.
femoris, that we have seen a little bit from the medial side. Quadratus femoris, gemellus
So-
and quadratus femoris.
So these 2 muscles are also from the deep layer of medial side. It can be seen from lateral side by dissecting the biceps femoris muscle.
Talking about the
Let's talk about the muscles of the leg region.
leg and foot region.
Leg and foot
First,
region.
the
Okay.
major muscle you see is the complex.
These are dorsolateral group muscles. Let's start with this. The
So
first
this one
muscle
is-
is complexus muscle.
Yeah, you can see in both the specimen complex muscles. Now we just elaborate because there are three muscles in these complex muscles, right? The first you are clearly seeing, this specimen is more clear. This one, right? This one, the upper, this one. This is known as the peroneus tertius. This is known as the peroneus tertius muscle, right? Of complex muscle. The two others here not dissected properly, but I think here they are dissected properly, right? This one. The two are, one is long distal extensor and one is medial digital extensor. After this peroneus, two other are, one is long digital extensor. This is the long distal extensor, right? This one, you can see the long digital extensor, and the other one is the medial digital extensor. This one is the, on the medial side is the medial distal extensor, right? So after the complex muscles, this one just behind the complex muscle, you can see this flat one. This one is the tibialis anterior, right? Tibialis anterior, and beside that tibialis anterior, this is the peroneus longus, just ending here, peroneus longus, right? And the one remaining on this side, this one is the lateral digital extensor. Lateral digital extensor, right? This one is lateral digital. Same muscles are here, just take a revision. This is the tibialis anterior, this is the peroneus longus, this is the peroneus longus, and this is the lateral digital extensor. Okay, this is the now the medial side, right? And we are talking about the muscles of medial posterior,
Or we can say plantar muscles.
okay. The first muscles is, you can see here the big muscles in this, the whole muscles, these are called gastrocnemius, right? Gastrocnemius. If we dissect this gastrocnemius in this specimen, here is dissected gastrocnemius. If we dissect properly, you can see the three things. These two are gastrocnemius, right? And in between these two gastrocnemius, this you can see this one. This one is the superficial distal flexor, right? SDF, superficial distal flexor. Again, between these two gastrocnemius, this is remain, which is superficial distal flexor. This was our gastrocnemius muscle, right? This was inside this gastrocnemius. This was our superficial distal flexor, right? This one is superficial distal flexor, na? Okay. And now we are talking about the deep distal flexor. So this is the deep distal flexor. You can see this one. This one. You can see clearly in this specimen also. This is the deep distal flexor, right?
Just beneath the bellies of
Gastrocnemius. Yeah.
there is SDF, and behind that SDF and gastrocnemius belly there is deep distal flexor.
Yeah.
This one.